Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Thursday and I am still deep cleaning my house. Today I decided to do my entryway. I'm trying to do this in preparation for Thanksgiving and decorating for Thanksgiving, and the three main areas that I tend to decorate, for any season, but specifically Thanksgiving right now, are my living room, my entryway, and my dining area. And so I did my living room yesterday, and I'm doing my entryway today, and then tomorrow I will do my dining area. So yeah, not a lot to say. I'm just gonna get to it. Alright, so the first thing obviously that I need to do is pick up all the stuff that's lying around here. This is like a daily occurrence. I feel like every single day this is how the entryway looks. But you know, it's a process. Now I'm just trying to figure out which shoes actually need to be on this rack and which ones don't. The flip-flops and sandals obviously don't need to be out anymore. It's not that kind of weather. But, you know, it is gumboot weather, so with 5 people, there's always a lot of shoes going on. And now I'm just shaking out the mats outside because it doesn't matter how much I vacuum them, they always seem to have pine needles stuck in them. Now I'm just vacuuming up more pine needles. That's what happens when you live right next to a bunch of trees. I don't know what to call it. It's not a forest really, but it is a large crop of trees. A park? We'll go with a park. It's called a park. I get in every nook and cranny, under the baseboards, in between, you know, any joins in the flooring. Yeah, I love them. That trunk is just kind of, it's empty. I only built it for, well, I didn't build the trunk, but I painted it and made the gushy cover. Just so that we had somewhere to sit when we put our shoes on, but I store like helmets and, you know, outdoor things in it. And now I'm just washing the walls. It is amazing to me how many fingerprints and like smudges can be on the walls. And I used to always blame the kids until I started realizing that some of those handprints were really high up and really big. Turns out my husband leans on the wall when he's taking his work boots off, and he gets greasy fingerprints on my wall. So yeah, they're all gone now. And just trying to get the baseboards. It always grosses me out how bad baseboards can get, but I mean, really? That's just life. So, you know, they're clean now. Trying to get all the grime off that light switch. This part really got me, this little window ledge sill thing. I didn't expect it to come white, I just thought it was like that, and then I realized, no, Megan, you just haven't cleaned it in a while. And now giving the floor a really good scrub. Normally I just use my steam mop, but I figured it could use like a good hands and knees, like hard scrub. Now I'm taking my vacuum and actually vacuuming the dust because this used to be a china cabinet hutch thing that my husband and I refinished, and we turned it upside down and turned it into a shelf, cabinet, whatever you want to call it. But because the shelves are just like wood and they're not really like, they don't have any polished finish at all, just trying to wipe the dust off, it just kind of gets stuck in the grain of the wood. So I always try to vacuum this one first before I wipe it down. Now I'm dusting everything inside. See, if you look on the bottom of the cabinet, you can see what I'm talking, bottom of the shelf, you can see what I'm talking about. It's just like wood that we painted. I'm actually really pleased with how this china cabinet turned out, because it was, if I can find a picture of the before, I'll include it in the video, just so you can see what it looked like before. I wish I had taken a video of the process, because honestly, it's a pretty cool transformation, but I didn't, so. And that is it. Everything is dusted and scrubbed and vacuumed and washed and happy and ready to have some pumpkins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the notification bell if you want to get notified when I put up my next video. Bye guys.